going to put happen because the butter for the chocolate cake is still like these other types of trays, the steel ones, if that they rust, especially if someone washes. And as I start, coating my trays. Hey, Mama! The tray is leaking. It's surely detachable from the bottom. Once I get the cakes out of the oven, I can show you how to just detach the tray. For those who have never seen how detachable, what we do now is I have a weekend to have food. And by the way, I want to have informed by this. Because I haven't even prepared food in a big later while I'm away. So I don't know if that is going to be possible. It's also going to be for me that look at quick. It was actually training. I don't know if Danny alone. Hey guys, today's Uber driver is so talkative, I don't mind talking to him if it's me who normally has a friendly aura that people just normally find it easy. And I think I'm going to has arrived. Yeah, so today the paper got washed. So it's okay. We'll just wait for her. That is leather-ish. Run water through it. Yeah. See my girl Ukoiva. So this video, I know you were coming up. This is one of the gifts at 16,000 shillings instead of 19. Now that my baby has already done some meals from her body, just eating from my plate. Yeah, because it that for quite some time and it was not looking good. Yeah, so it's just these guys cleaning around and put their contact there so that if you want to book them to clean your space, they also do you can book them. They also do post construction. So that yeah, so guys, stay tuned on my platform for those lovely videos. Guys, today is actually a Sunday. I'm gonna cut a whisper. I hope you're gonna hear me. I'm looking for another I've been every person that is referring me to